Do you want to create some teams in PES and play with them? You're in the right place. When a football was called PES, you could create teams very easily and you could do it from inside the game. For example, I installed all the Kings League InfoJobs teams and 2 others and played the Kings League. It is very easily, so if you already have PES 2017 and older, you must follow this method. If you have PES 2018 or older, you can skip to the dedicated video chapter. Now if you want to also create teams jersey, you can use PES Master Kit editor and create your own. Returning to PES 2017, all the files must be a maximum of 1024 pixels for 1024 pixels. For customize a team, you need to go to the Teams section in the Modify menu and go to the club you want to customize. If, like me, you want to add a new team that's not in PES, like the Kings League, PES created those teams in the PES leagues are some fictional leagues with fictional players and fictional teams, so that you can modify them. You can also choose how many teams should be in that league. The PES is in Europe, PES in Asia and PES in South America. When you choose the teams, you can change the name of it, and you can choose a new crest for them by importing the image from your computer. For the shirt, you can import them also, but the PES integrated shirt editor is good enough. Now, for the leagues is practically the same thing, you change the name and the badge. For PES 2018 and newer, you need to put all your files in the WPS folder in your documents, then economy, then the game you're using. And from the Modify menu, select Import Images. In the File Gestion section, select what type of image you want to import, and then go back to the team or league you want to customize and customize it. I hope that this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.